Human intelligence for performance explanation. Our tool uses talent analytics to cut across any role where you can plug in your high versus your low performers, and you can explain why people perform. And so in this example, you can see regarding behaviors, how these 112 salespeople are the high performers and these 256 salespeople are the low performers. Let's see if there's a difference in the behaviors of high versus low performers. Indeed, we see that high performers are decisive, almost 1 in 3, where low performers are deliberate, completely opposite. So maybe you want less deliberate new employees when you hire for that. 2, you see that high performers are outgoing, almost 1 in 3, and low performers, conversely, are reflective. So you probably do not want stability-oriented people when you're hiring, and you could also train these low performers to be more change-oriented, like your high performers here. Similarly, you can go into comparing things such as motivators. Here, the high performers are clearly self-reliant and care about financial security. In general, most of the attributes are innovative in terms of high performers. Conversely, most of the low performers are on this side. They are not innovative. They're service oriented. And so trying to adapt a culture in this sales organization of helping and supporting and team camaraderie has not worked because those are actually the worst performers. And so, again, you might want to not hire this in the future and hire an innovative type salespeople. And lastly, you can see under work energizers that the high performers are a combination of systematic in terms of they like proven methods, low performers like new solutions, and high performers generally are similar in other areas. But now you have a profile that you can use to hire for high performers using the human intelligence recruiting tool that then takes the pipeline of candidates to the point where you can avoid hiring someone like Kyra Cole, who the manager might love at 79, but given that high performer benchmark we just went through, Kyra is not a good hire. And so instead of hiring who managers like and teams like, you might want to hire what the data tells you without the subjectivity and go for someone like Connie. Connie, with data, the platform shows that the manager may not love them, the team may not love them. However, compared to that target culture of high performance, Connie is definitely the highest performer given her culture fit to high performance. So you actually would move Connie forward and hire her.